Today we're gonna make origami animal. Yes!
Yay!
The first animal we're gonna make is dog. You need origami paper, googly eyes, or maybe some markers instead to draw.
Ta-da!
First, we're gonna do a triangle.
I know we're gonna do it.
But the color has to be outside.
Oh, yeah.
Ta-da! You don't have to make the ears like this.
Okay.
And Kylan, you're so cute.
Yeah.
Last, I'm gonna fold this to make the mouth.
I already did it. I'm good at this.
Now we're gonna use the marker to draw the eyes.
I'm drawing the mouth first. Then the neck. Ta-da!
This is a dog I made.
This is the dog I made.
Next, we're gonna make a cat. I picked brown. I picked black. And now we're gonna fold it into a triangle.
Oh my gosh.
Now we're gonna make the ears, and it looks just like this. And make sure they're both has to at least be a little even. This is how you do a cow. The last step, you have to close the mouth.
Baby.
Hello, I have a mouth.
Now we're gonna use these markers to draw the face of the cat.
Ta-da, cha-cha, cha-cha.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow.
Lastly, we're gonna make fists. First, you have to make a triangle again.
Ta-da!
Then
I do that.
and Big Mouth. So now Big Mouth says we need to do this.
Open.
Line them up. Make four corners like this kind. Ooh. And then you do this.
Others like this, you just squeeze them in like that. It's so easy. Now we're gonna do a fishtail and we do it like this. Do this, and then you push it like this. And then push it. Ta-da! Chloe, I'm almost done.
Now we're gonna do the googly eyes and the mouth and the scales.
And I'm gonna draw it. For the scales, I'm gonna do red. For the mouth and eyes, I'm gonna do black. So which side is it? This side?
Yes. Now I'm gonna glue the googly eyes.
I'm not gonna do googly eyes.
These are so cool.
I am done. Ta-da! Blow, 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 blow.
I'm gonna make it an upside down fist.
I have a big beard all the way here.
I have a huge beard.
I have a huge beard too.
Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas!
Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas! This is how you make a cat, dog, and a fish. Is it upside down?
Upside down fist. Thank you
Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Love, love.
Woof, woof.